Hey, what's up? First of all, let me say thank you to you 600 subscribers, right? So there's this stuff I've always encountered in Excel, and whenever I meet it, I'm always like, what's this thing? What's this? You would be working on your columns and you see this greenish, like this is your column, right? I mean, this is your cell, right? You see this greenish dot or this greenish mark in your column outlined on all the cells in your column at the top left corner, right? And sometimes you just try to, sometimes you right click and click on ignore error, but some hours after it will come back, right? I'm going to show you how to fix it today, right? Just go ahead and watch this video. So what to do from this point is to click on Alt FT. Alt FT takes you to your settings, then on the left side you see general, formula, and then you see data. So what you need here is the formula. So click on formula, and then you see an option to either tick or untick enable background error check, or disable it. So when you untick it, it disables it. So and then you stop seeing this greenish prompt as a mark. So but when you enable it, the Excel sheet can suspect an error and then give you that greenish mark. I hope you've learned something. Do well to share this video. Now that you have learned how to, it's not linked. Now that you have learned, how to fix this error, this green stuff, do well to share with somebody. Do well to like. Do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first to be notified upon the next video. Thank you very much for coming my way. I remain Sarako the analyst. My name is Sarako Emmanuel, and I would love to see you again.